Hello students, in last lecture we have discussed the agile methodology and pair programming. I told you in the next lecture we will discuss the Scrum. So here we are going to discuss the Scrum. Scrum is an agile methodology. This is the part of agile methodology to develop a project. To understand this figure, you have to understand the role of these. First of all is product owner, scrum master, team, sprint and scrum meeting. Firstly, I am going to explain you the role of product owner. What is the role of product owner? यहाँ पे product owner क्या करेगा? Product owner will collect the input from the end user or from the stakeholder. मतलब कि they will directly meet the stakeholder और उनसे input collect करेगा, or we can say it collect the requirement of the project. And after that, product owner will decide what will be the feature in the project. तो जो भी feature वो decide करेगा, whatever the feature is decided by this product owner, they will keep it in the product backlog. Let's say he decided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or maybe more also. That they will keep in a product backlog. वो क्या करेगा, अपने feature एक product backlog में डाल देगा. Then after that there is a team. This team under the Scrum Master. प्रोडक्ट ओनर ने क्या करना है, फीचर डिसाइड किए और प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग में डाल दिए. आफ्टर दैट जो डेवलपर्स टीम है उसने क्या करना है, स्क्रम मास्टर के अंडर काम करना. स्क्रम इज द मास्टर विच इज हैंडल द टीम. दिस मींस दिस स्क्रम मास्टर विल हैंडल दिस टीम. मतलब मींस इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर वर्क. नाउ in product backlog, the feature is already decided by the product owner. Now, what is the work of this team? What is the work of the developer team? What they will do? They will plan and they will think कि according to the feature, how many tasks we will perform in one sprint. Sprint means a cycle, a iteration. कि एक iteration में हम क्या कर सकते हैं. The iteration will be maximum for 2 to 4 weeks. So they will decide कि let's say 1 or 2 feature 1 and 2 will be performed in one sprint. Then they will decide that. Then they will perform this sprint. That means feature के according वो plan करेंगे कि हमें क्या task करना है और how many features we will complete in a one sprint. Then they will put it in the task mean that is a sprint backlog. Sprint backlog में they will decide कि हमें कौन से feature एक sprint में complete करने हैं. In that way they will decide. But one thing you keep it in mind, when a sprint is started, you are not able to do any change in that until it completes. So it is already no change in duration or scope during the sprint cycle. Means in this cycle, whatever you decided before starting the sprint, it is pre-decided. You are not able to do change in the sprint. Now, in this sprint, I told you the timing of sprint is a 2 to 4 week. What they will do after that, after implement the sprint, in each 24 hours, there will be the meeting of Scrum Master with Scrum meeting. Scrum Master with team. Scrum Master will do the meeting with Scrum team in 24 hours, and where they will ask about the work, or they will tell कि this is the difficulty we are facing and this we are implementing. Each and everything will be telling by the team to the Scrum Master. Then after that there will be the review meeting. Review meeting means जहाँ पे Scrum Master and the product owner as well as the team, they will review that together. Mainly the work of product manager and the scrum master. They will review the project कि whatever is done in this sprint, can it a shippable or anything, any change required, क्या इसको release कर दिया जाए, we can release this, or still we have to do some changes. If it is releasable, then they will tell to release that, otherwise they will do the changes. Then at the last there is a retrospective meeting. In this meeting, Scrum Master, product owner as well as the Scrum team, they will decide whatever we have done in the project, it is according to the requirement or according to the expectations of the customer, or whatever we have done it working properly or not. So that is done in the retrospective meeting. So this is the Scrum theory. Now come to the advantages and disadvantages of this. What are the advantages of this? Large projects are broken down into small pieces. Small sprint means suppose you have a 7 features which you are going to implement. So you have to decide which 2 feature will go in which sprint. That means we are dividing our work in a different sprints. Customers are involved, so best results are assured. In each and every step, the product owner will discuss each and everything with the customer also. This is so that the result is ensured, budget friendly and time saving. Yes, because we are managing according to budget, as well as sprint is fixed 2 to 4 weeks and there is a meeting between 24 hours. So it's a time saving project also. The team gets clearly visibility in the Scrum meeting. Clearly visibility means Scrum Master is a senior. Senior means they have the knowledge more than the Scrum team, because according to his or her experience, they become the Scrum Master. So they will give you the clear visibility. If this is whatever you are doing, it is fine, or you have to do like this or not. So this is clear visibility. Developments are coded and tested during the sprint review. We have the review meeting also. Their product owner as well as the Scrum will review the project, whether we are going to release this or we have to stop that for the next increment. So these are the advantages. Now come to the disadvantages. Once decided, the sprint backlog items cannot be changed. Means whatever is decided once or fixed once, we are not able to do the change. This is the disadvantage. Required strong commitment from all the members of team. Strong commitment means suppose you have the team of team of 5 members. So you have each and every member is commitment. Whatever the task is allotted to the particular person, they have proper responsibility on their shoulder. I have to do this on the particular given time. Then only this will be successful. Then the next thing, if any team member leave the project if any team member leave in the middle of a project, it can have a huge negative impact on the project. Yes, it is very obvious. If we have doing the sprint work and we have 5 members, in between 1 member left, that means whatever the work he does, who will do that work, and what he has done we don't know exactly. So this is the problem. Then as a quality is hard to implement until the team goes through aggressive testing process. Quality is hard to implement. Quality means there should be the proper testing of the software, because know that the all are doing good according to their own way. But if the software is properly tested by the tester, then it is more effective and more qualitable software, because it work according to the expectation of the customer. So this is the Scrum agile methodology. So see the picture and try to draw the diagram by yourself and understand the concept. This this file I will send you as a PDF. See that, understand that. If you face any difficulty in any content, you can send me the query in the group. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay safe at home.